talk about the electron microscope. Let's see. Okay, so I will show you some diagrams that shows the structure of an electron microscope. I think you can see them. Okay, in there I think you can see the electron guns. They shoot an electron beam to the below, and then it goes under some layers. After that it comes to the specimen which on the stage, and then we can see the secondary electron detector form. We see like that. So next one is magnification of an electron microscope. Let's see. The maximum magnification power of an electron microscope is 500,000 times. What is the meaning of that? I think you know that it has so many powers, and because I will show you again that it in another time the structure, because I have to in detail explain it about in detail. So in there magnification power of an electron microscope is 5, like that. You know that it remember that it is very big, like a table. It can put on it can hold on table, but it is bigger than a table. Okay, the maximum resolution is 0.0005 micrometers. What is called micrometers? Micrometers are the things that we that come before the millimeters. Yes, so yes, it is millimeters. So this is 200 to 200,000 times better than a healthy human eye. I think you can understand that. Because of that, electron microscopes are used for observe viruses and bacteria. That's why we use it. Okay, I will show that it comes, the electron beam is go under some lens, and it finally come to the screen like that. Instances of using the electron microscope to observe viruses and bacteria for research. You know, we can see bacteria from the compound microscope too, but we can't see viruses. In the electron microscope, we use bacteria to study more. That means it show more. We can see then bacteria very closely. That's why the research is working hardly. Next thing is to learn about internal structure of the cell in detail. Okay, you know cells. We can learn about the internal structure of the cell in detail by electron microscope. That's amazing, no? So, to use in genetic research. Again, yes. It is yes. To get information on crime investigation. What does that mean? You know, crimes. Crimes are there are many crimes in the world, but you know the police who catch them. That means who catch the ones that do crimes. Police sent, you know, the place that where the crime was, and it contained that means that place has blood of the crimes, and then they search DNA from the electron microscope and find out who is the murderer that did that. Okay, so there's an electron micrograph, that means electron microscope picture of an HIV virus, and there's another picture which shows corona, COVID. Okay, so how does it works? That's a question. I think you have observed the uses, it's yes. Then so what help it to observe viruses? An electron beam is used in here. That means I told you electron guns shoot an electron beam, and it goes to the under the layers, and after that, because of that, electron microscope is better than a compound light microscope. In compound light microscope, the light is used. In electron microscope, an electron beam is used. Okay, this is a picture of an electron microscope. I told you that it is bigger. That means we connect it to a computer and watch. It is easy. Not easy, it's very expensive. And then structure of an electron microscope, I show it to you again because I want to explain to you. I think there is lens. I called you layers. They are lens. In the first picture they use magnetic lens, and after this picture shows the magnetic lens too. However, these two work in two different ways. It is very it's very exciting. So this specimen is in the stage in the first paragraph, first diagram, but in the second one it is on the between the condenser lens and objective aperture lens. So okay, I think you have got a good knowledge about electron microscope. Thank you.